currently not indexed in Google Search Console Full Guide 2026. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the crawled, currently not indexed issue in Google Search Console. If Google has crawled your page, but it still isn't appearing in search results, don't worry. I'll walk you through the steps to improve your chances of getting that page indexed. First, sign in to your Google Search Console account and select your website. From the left sidebar, click on Indexing and then Pages. Look for the Crawled, Currently Not Indexed report and open it. Here you'll see a list of pages that Google has crawled but decided not to index. Next, click on one of the affected URLs and open the URL inspection tool. Check whether the page contains high-quality, original content. Thin, duplicate, or low-value content is one of the most common reasons Google chooses not to index a page. Improve the content by adding useful information, images, headings, and unique value for your visitors. Now, make sure the page isn't blocked by a noindex meta tag or your robots TXT file. If either of these is preventing indexing, remove the restriction if you want the page to appear in Google search. After that, add internal links pointing to the page from other important pages on your website. Internal linking helps Google discover the page and understand that it's valuable. You should also check for technical issues such as slow loading speed, server errors, or broken elements. Fixing these problems can improve Google's ability to index your content. Once you've made all the necessary improvements, return to the URL inspection tool in Google Search Console and click Request Indexing. Google will review the page again. But remember that indexing may take a few days or even a few weeks. Finally, make sure your XML sitemap includes the page and that your sitemap has already been submitted through Google Search Console. This helps Google discover your updated content more efficiently. That's how you fix the crawled, currently not indexed issue in Google Search Console.